Here's a little positive crankcase ventilation system I designed for our bus. I'd like to show you how it works. The air from the breathers comes in these tubes. These tubes, turn them around, you can see they're perforated. Those perforations actually aim up. Now at the top, there's a wall there. In this chamber, we have the 3 tubes from the 3 vents on the bus engine. It's full of these little stainless steel balls. Those stainless steel balls slow down the movement of the air, but still allow air to go through. Then we have a stainless steel filter here that further slows down the movement of the air, going down into this chamber. Now in this chamber, move around, you see the light. We have liquid in there. It captures all the liquid. From there, the air that's in there goes up this side chamber here. So right up in here and out this K&N filter. Now, if we look inside the filter chamber, we'll see it's clean and dry. So there's no fuel getting up to that area and there's no oil getting up to that area. So the stainless steel balls and the slide-in filter are doing their job of slowing the air down and ridding it of the oil and fuel and allowing the fuel to go back. Now, on top of this, we have this little cap and this hose that goes back into the intake of the bus, giving us a closed system. So if we have any blow-by, which we did before, that's why you see all that. That's about 1.5 inches deep, and that is from about 1,000 miles worth of driving. So that's how much blow-by we had. We probably won't have any blow-by anymore with the new rebuilt engine. Nonetheless, we'll keep the system in place. It just keeps everything clean, including the engine compartment, similar to what they have in marine engines for 2-stroke Detroit diesels. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas, always remember, leave a comment below. Thanks a lot.